All right, reading a text called Why the Sea is Salty. Now, it is a folk tale, so I am going to remind you about what a folk tale is. It is based on the traditions and the beliefs of people, happened a long time ago. We have them in all cultures, so they look different. For example, there's sort of a story that is similar to Cinderella, but it's slightly different in different cultures, like Chinese or Korean or French. So, but all cultures have different folk tales. The characters learn a lesson, often use animal characters to symbolize or represent human qualities. Now, this story specifically is talking about why something happened. That's one type of folktale, is something that explains why there are stars in the sky, why certain trees look the way they do, why certain animals have certain traits. Now, they didn't have all the scientific knowledge that we did, and they were just sort of imagining, what if this is how this happened? Now, we know that that's not necessarily the case anymore, but it's still this way that cultures have made sense of the world around them for hundreds and thousands of years. All right, so be thinking, what is this explaining? What natural thing about the world is this folk tale explaining? Maybe it reminds you of other stories that talk about how things came to be. If you've heard the legend of the bluebonnet, talks about how bluebonnet flowers came to be all over Texas, for example. For number 4, if you don't have any other ones, that's okay. You can look one up if you want, or try to think of a time where a teacher's read one to you or you've heard one in one place or another. As always, if you're stuck, if you need help, if you have questions, let me know. You got this.